your piece of origami paper and put the side you want to see face down. Then fold your paper in half. Next, unfold your paper and fold it in half the other way. Then unfold that and fold it diagonally one way to make a triangle. Then unfold that and fold it diagonal the other way. Then put your paper down, fold in the edges, and press down. This will make a triangle. Let me show you again. Put your paper down, fold in the edges, and press down. Then take one flap and fold it up to the top, like this. Then do it on the other side. Then flip your paper over and repeat. Then take one flap on one side and fold it into the middle line. Like this. Then repeat on the other side. Next, take one flap up here and fold it to the middle here. This will make a small triangle. Tuck it into this flap here that we just made. Then do it on the other side. Next, flip your paper over and repeat. Then, spread out the four edges like this and blow into the side with a hole right here where I am pointing. Blow into it now. Yay, you finished making an origami balloon!